The POCO X5 Pro 5G is the latest offering from the POCO brand, combining advanced technologies with an affordable price. Its standout feature is its impressive triple camera setup, featuring a main 108-megapixel lens, allowing users to capture incredibly detailed and clear photos, capturing every moment with the highest quality. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor, the POCO X5 Pro 5G delivers high performance and efficient energy management. This means you can enjoy smooth app launches, fast multimedia playback, and responsive performance even in demanding scenarios. The AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate provides incredibly realistic and smooth content viewing. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or simply scrolling through the news feed, every action will look stunning on the POCO X5 Pro 5G screen.
Moreover, the smartphone supports NFC, making it perfect for contactless payments and data transfer. The large battery capacity combined with fast charging ensures that your smartphone will always be ready for extended use throughout the day. Running on the Android operating system with the MIUI custom interface, the POCO X5 Pro 5 offers a wide range of settings and features for customizing your user experience. Overall, the POCO X5 Pro 5 is a powerful and versatile device capable of meeting the needs of even the most demanding users, all at an affordable price.